Workshops are dynamic events where people converge to share insights, driving projects forward through creativity and solution generation. Facilitated workshops break down silos and bridge the gaps to promote inclusiveness and diverse perspectives for fostering effective collaboration. Real-life experience highlights how poor collaboration processes can lead to conflicts, hindering project success and innovation. Independent facilitators bring objectivity and manage group dynamics, ensuring productive discussions and keeping workshops focused on key objectives. Facilitated workshops enhance project management, aligning objectives, defining roles, and setting timelines to meet deliverables efficiently. Research shows that workshops can save significant time and costs, improve outcomes, and enhance team dynamics through effective facilitation. Independent facilitators offer neutrality, specialized techniques, and an outsider's perspective, boosting the workshop's efficacy and engagement. By leveraging workshops, organizations can unleash team potential, transforming challenges into growth opportunities and driving innovation.